So this outdoor furniture can be left outside, but as you can see, it can get quite dirty from spills such as ketchup, chocolate or fruit juice when you're enjoying your outdoor living. So let me show you how to clean it. Fill a jug with 200 millilitres of bleach and 50 millilitres of regular soap. Pour the mixture into a bowl and then add water. Using a soft cloth, soak in the mixture and then wipe over the fabric. Rinse off the soap with water using a hose or a bucket. Allow the furniture to fully dry. Leave the furniture in the sun to speed up drying time. Now it's all dry, all you have to do is sit back, relax and enjoy, and make yourself a cup of tea. So our outdoor cushions can get really mucky, from pets to children, the weather and spills.